First, park your 2001-2005 Honda Civic on a level surface and turn off the ignition. Open the trunk to access the high-mount brake light housing. Locate the access panel on the trunk lining, usually secured by plastic clips or screws. Carefully remove it using a screwdriver or plastic pry tool to avoid damage. Disconnect the wiring harness from the bulb socket by depressing the locking tab. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to remove it from the socket. Begin by selecting the correct bulb type. For the 2001 to 2005 Honda Civic, use a 7443 incandescent bulb or a compatible LED replacement that matches the vehicle's electrical specifications. Insert the new bulb into the socket, ensuring the base aligns properly with the socket's flat side for correct orientation. Twist the bulb clockwise until it locks securely into the socket. This ensures proper electrical contact and prevents the bulb from falling out. Reconnect the wiring harness to the socket by plugging it back in firmly. Ensure the connection is secure to avoid electrical issues. Before reassembling, test the brake light. Turn on the ignition and press the brake pedal. The high-mount brake light should illuminate steadily without flickering. If the light works properly, replace the access panel securely and close the trunk. If using an LED bulb, watch for hyperflashing, which indicates incompatibility. Always ensure the LED matches the vehicle's electrical specifications to avoid issues.